Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to pull a file out, how to reset it. So let's get started. So we have our pull station, and we're going to start with the 270 SPO. So that is this one. So to pull it, it says pull in case of fire, local alarm. Edwards, pull down. Then we go to silence our panel. Or just shut off our system. Keep out, guys. I'm getting a panel soon. Yeah. And this will not take keys. This uses a flathead screwdriver. So you stick it on top in the right position. Then you turn it. And go down. And then you can flick your switch down. Then you lift your handle up. And then you close it. There you go. And then it's tight. Go to reset. Okay. Next, we're going to do the radiations watch pull station. So yeah, right here. So lift up and pull. So this one's pretty simple. To activate it, you lift up, pull down. Good silence. Okay. And then you're gonna need this key. E6224. Says it on the wall. So I'd open it. And then it's a button. Some aren't button. You lift up the thing. You lift up the switch. And with this one, you lift up the lever and you close it. This one's a box. Okay, so you take your key out and you put this back down. There you go. Reset. And then right now we're gonna do Simplex 399-9754 key bar. So it says pull down. So it's that easy. Just get some. Then you need this one's not on my keychain yet because I just got this key, but Simplex pen. Key, it's a Cat 30. So you stick it in. You turn counterclockwise. Open it, and it's a button. So just close it. And you take your key out. There you go. Okay, then you can reactivate your system. Okay, next is the Ansel System Fire Release Dual Action T-Bar. And it's on. Explosion. Also known as in an area where it's going to breathe through a lot. Same thing with the 370 SPO and with this. Push in. Hold down. So this one takes a Cat 15 key. Where did I drop it? I use a Cat 45 key because I don't have a 15 key. I got 15. I'm running right here. Turn on the lights. Right here is the symbol, also known as it's an EST key, like what Edwards would use. So it's the same key for the SIGA, which I got brand new in box. And so what you do is you have the same pull station, you put it in, and you turn to the turn right /counter/clockwise, and then you pull out a little, and then you turn. There you go. So this one's kind of like the same as the Reactions. You just push the handle up, and then this one's a button. It's a metal button, so you can just close it. And you can take out the key. Then you can read the system. Okay. Now we're going to do the BG12L. Pretty simple. I'm going to advance. Push in. Push in. Hold on. Silence. So I use a special key because I turned it from the key from the mailbox hook from Harbor Freight. I meant from Stores. This one has the spring. So, and the latcher at the top. So usually this will automatically push itself up like that. Because there's supposed to be spring, and then the strip, you just close it and then okay. And then right here, it's the EST Sega. To pull it, so it says lift, then pull handle, pull for fire, like this. Pull handle, lift up, pull down. Good sounds. And here, 45 key. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna pull out. I have to reset all of them. I'll be back. I really have to go to the bathroom, and then we'll reset.